How to use Sora for beginners. OpenAI's tool that lets you create videos just by describing them in text. Whether you are new to AI video or just curious about how it works, this walkthrough will help you get started quickly and easily. Once you are logged into your Sora account, you'll land on the dashboard. At the bottom, you'll find your Creative Playground, the prompt box. This is where you type your ideas as wild or cinematic as you want. For example, a llama skydiving over the pyramids during a solar eclipse. Type it in, hit enter, and boom, Sora starts crafting your masterpiece. Next up, styles and presets. This is where Sora gets its flair. You can choose from pre-built visual styles like stop motion, film, or even something called Bubble World, which makes everything look like a candy-colored fever dream. If you want more control, you can create your own style preset. Give it a name like Retro VHS Jungle, add a desired lighting, camera angles, film stock, colors, and even upload a reference image. Sora adapts to your aesthetic instantly. Now let's fine-tune your video. Pick your aspect ratio, 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube, or 1:1 for Instagram. You can choose the resolution, 480p if you want it quick, 1080p if you want it crisp. Adjust how long the video will be and how many variations you want to try. All these settings affect how many credits you'll use, so make sure to check your balance up in the corner before you hit generate. Once you have set everything up, your idea goes into the queue. While you wait, hit the feature tab. It's a goldmine of inspiration. Maybe you will stumble across a tap dancing octopus in Times Square and think, yeah, I need that. You can click on any featured video, view the prompt used, and remix it to make it your own. Sora is not just a prompt and go tool. It's packed with powerful creative features. The storyboard tool lets you break a video into scene-by-scene moments. Want a red panda to ride a hoverboard? Then stop and drink bubble tea. You can map it all out on a timeline with caption cards. Sora fills in the in-between frames like a seasoned animator. And that's it. You are officially ready to use Sora like a creative wizard. So go experiment, remix reality, and conjure up the next viral visual. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more AI creativity, and let me know your weirdest Sora idea in the comments. Thanks for watching.